Uripok Apunbalub has submitted a memorandum at Imphal Police Station demanding a zero FIR against Saikot Assembly Constituency MLA Paulin Lal Haukip. Uripok Apunbalub's treasurer, Laishram Brikishore, highlighted that the FIR was filed in regard to the MLA's statement where he reportedly admitted in media that the killing of 6 innocent civilians from Jiribam was part of Kuki people's revenge. The statement was made at the ongoing relay hunger strike in Uripok Canteen Crossing, organized by Uripok Apunbalub and Uripok Nupi Apunbalub. Brikeshwar further added that Paulin Lal Haukip made the controversial statement in an interview with The Wire, and a memorandum to take action against the MLA has already been submitted to Manipur Women Commission, Manipur Women for Protection of Child Rights and Manipur DG. He also demanded strict action against 10 Kuki MLAs while maintaining that the ongoing hunger strike will continue until the 6 innocent civilians get justice.
Tasengna Paulina Haukipta hujikti evidence lairabani neta social media da lumak lairabani aduna mai mathakta FIR panbiu aduga MLA oiba famji akoi challenge tawam thoi habase koi Uripok Apunbalub tagi akoi haijari aduga akoi demand di micham taruk hat pada chenagriba culprit asi akoi state na aduga central government na pulaga phabi gadamni aduga laigri deba mi taruk asibu justice famna bohna bada mateng phabi gadamni aduga tarik ahum dagi hawaki lanchi dagi Kuki community ki CHO aduga Kuki community ki militant myamche state government amasung central government na sibo terrorist organization aduga terrorist ki CHO ngakane na lautopiraga moibu book to bigadamne habse akogi Uripok Apunbalub ki demand ni menoina culprit singsu phadri gai de akogi relay hunger strike asi akoi makhata na adum matam kyam changa so Uripok Apunbalub gi warep naraga akoi relay hunger strike asi lepoi habse ria pham tokjari